Hi, buddy.
Hi.
Are we gonna bake something?
Yeah, called mousse chocolate.
Chocolate mousse.
Oh.
And actually, you don't have to bake it. It doesn't have to go in the oven. It's a no-bake recipe, okay? They're the noise in the background. Like all of you understand. Lots of children noise in the background these days, which is awesome. But have fun. This is actually something you can do with your kids because it is a no-bake thing. So you can definitely do it with your kids.
But kids
especially while everybody's home from school for the foreseeable future. Have fun. Get in the kitchen and have a good time. There's our ingredients. We'll need a few other things, a few other surprise things, but check out the recipe below and let's do it. You gotta roll the knife, tip to back, away from yourself. Chocolate into small pieces.
She's cutting the chocolate. The chocolate's life is gone.
No, it's alive. Now we can eat it.
Gee, thanks. In my mug.
I got to keep my chef happy. Put it in a bowl, a heat-safe bowl, so it can go in the microwave.
Microwave.
And check it about every 10-15 seconds so it doesn't burn. So it's been not even a minute. I've been taking it out every few seconds to stir it. Is it done yet, James?
No.
All right, put it back in. It's at the point now where it's warm enough that if you just keep moving it around, the rest of the chunks are going to melt. You want to give it a go, James?
Yes.
I have half a cup of cream. Okay, this is whipping cream. We're going to pour it in, and James is going to whisk really quick. You ready, James? Really quick and don't stop. Go really fast. Really, really fast. Go, 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 go. After the cream goes in, you're left with this almost icing texture. So yummy.
Can I taste?
James. I'm gonna get out a beater and another cup of cream. All right, James, pour the cream in the bowl.
Okay.
And you want to get a spatula. No wasted ingredients. Get it all in there. Okay, so it's basically done now. We whipped it up. You need stiff peaks, so where it stands up by itself. Okay, you can put in the sweetener blend. This is a monk fruit erythritol powdered sugar. I just get the granules and grind it in the coffee grinder. Decaf instant coffee. That's the secret ingredient.
Dump this in there or dump that in there? What do you want me to do?
I don't want you to dump either. We need to put a very small amount of the chocolate in here and blend it up and then put more and more and more, a bit at a time.
Yeah. Can you see me through it?
Yeah, I can see you through it. What is it?
Milk bag.
It's a milk bag. In Canada, we have milk bags, and I use them as piping bags. They're strong enough to hold the milk. They can pipe some icing. So here's the tip, and you can put it in the tip down at the bottom. Yeah, at the tip that's already been cut when we cut the milk.
Here.
Yeah. So you put it inside, not over there, through the big hole at the top.
Right
Yeah,
here?
and put it through there to the bottom.
This?
Yeah, now put it all the way down to the bottom. And then we'll scoop the chocolate mousse in there and just pipe it to look pretty in the bowl. So pipe it in a mason jar and then you can take it to work with you. Yum! Good job, James!
8-year-old's attempt at piping.
8-year-old's attempt at piping? You did a good job, buddy.